What is up guys, Gentlewit here. Today I'm just gonna show you how to make a really powerful airplane paper. Alright, let's get started. It is very easy. You will grab a paper, any kind of paper. It is small or big. First I'm just gonna show you first the small paper. All you have to do is grab it like that. First you're gonna do is to fold it here, like that. Just gonna show you backwards. Put it right there. This. Boom. And just put it in the middle. Just pattern a bit. Right there. Boom. Now, next, the other paper. It is okay if you're not good at it. I'm not actually good at folding. Next, you need to fold it. Wait a minute, guys. Fold it again in half like this. Like this. And now you will just fold it again to the other side. Now you have something to just looks like this. Now just fold it in half together. Fold it in half. Boom, you have an airplane. Now we're gonna add some wings. So fold upwards right there. So it's patterned to the point and to the end of the paper. So you can like straight fly and fast. You will go like this, and there you have it. You have finished paper. It is very fast. First, this is the small one. Next, I'm just gonna show you the big one. Let's go. Now, this is the big one. Show you how to make it too. First thing, of course, you're just gonna flip it off. See, it's rectangle. Now you're just gonna flip it 90 degrees and just keep working. Follow that line at the center right there. You guys can see right there. Follow the line here at the center. Very center. Then boom. And do the same thing to the other. This. And just, of course, you're just gonna fold it like this. Like that. The same thing to the other. And boom. Boom. Now it's perfect. Now fold it in half, just like we did the other small. Let's do it at the same time, so fast forward. Salvador Panelo, hindi magbabago ang style ni Duterte. Maaaring may mga advice sa kanya sa mga do's and don'ts sa mga lumalabas sa kanyang bibig, sa kanyang mga pahayag at maging sa kanyang
Okay, it is now perfect. And yeah, it's ready to fly out. We're gonna go to the fly zone.
Now here's the fly zone. Oops. Grab this. Boom, it's just go on. And as you guys can see, it flies straight. Now go to the other fly zone. I'm here at my balcony, so here's the paper, as you guys can see. Working in 3, 2, 1. As you guys can see, it went through there. It is very easy. Thumbs up this video, as you guys can see. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe for more videos. Peace.